we're arriving at the airport. We're off to New York City. Yes, my darling, we cannot wait. How are you, my darlings? Fumi Nation. Juvias, please. Thank you so very much. We are so excited. Cannot wait to see you guys. So we're at Heathrow Airport. We're about to come down and board. Yes, my darlings. This was a fabulous, fabulous ride. And yeah, welcome to Heathrow. How are you, my darlings? Are you excited? Are you ready for the most amazing time ever? Yes, I am. Yes, I am. Hello, New York City. How are you? How are we, baby? I am in Manhattan and I'm already living and loving. Thank you so very much, Juvias, please, for this fabulous, fabulous hotel room. I just have to walk around so that you can see. You're going to see me around the city. It's a Juvias, please, extravaganza weekend, my darlings. So we came very, very prepared. Yes, we did. Darlings, I'm sending you so much love. I'm sending you so much positivity, and I cannot wait for us to have the most sensational weekend here in Manhattan. Juvias, please, thank you so very much. Titi, thank you so very much. Congratulations on everything that you have achieved for this brand. You know that I love you. I love you. I love you. Thank you, Manhattan. Mwah.
The darlings are here once again, and we are here feeling the magnificence, feeling the fantasy.
I love Harris, stylist extraordinaire. He's brought some outfits for us to look at. I am just living and loving.
Compliments of Renee Tyler. And
Renee Tyler, I love you. I think you're absolutely fabulous. We're going to have all kinds because we have events back to back. So back to back. So he is showing me what I am living for. When I tell you that this is everything for breakfast, we'll do this one for breakfast. Yes, my darling, let us hang it back up. So we'll do this for breakfast. It's really, really gorgeous. Renee Tyler, thank you so much. Then we've got Glamour over here. Glamour. Miss Diana Ross.
Okay.
If only I could sing, baby. If only I could sing.
It may just make you sing.
It just might. And then look at the third number. Just look at this. Renee Tyler. Boo-boo.
Bam, bam.
As if you knew that I love animal print. Oh my God. I love it. I love it. Thank you, Renee. Just look beyond the fact. Thank you so very much. Paris Harris. I love you.
More goodies to come.
More goodies to come. I love them. Thank you. Just look at the intricate detail of this. Just look. Renee Tyler, guys, you have to follow her.
Yes.
It's so fabulous. Paris Harris is my stylist when I come to New York. He brings me all of the unique pieces. And I am sharing with you, baby.
And we are loving, darling.
We are living and loving.
Release the fantasticness, the Fumi of it all.
All you want is my hunger. All you need is my pain. Nothing in between ever met you lost. When you were born there was thunder, fire lit in the sky as to lead astray. Now heavy rain pours out of you and me. Come back, rain. Come and ease this obsession. Full force dispossess. Come and quiet this aggression. If we met in a year or two, would you set your eyes on me? Wear your heart on your sleeve. Nothing in between.
Hi, how are you? Good. Yeah. Her reactions are
She got her phone right in your face.
Fumi, forever. I like you.
Sydney, such a good. Yes, I'm so excited to be on the panel. I'm excited. No, you don't need anything. I'm gonna prep literally like an hour before. You're gonna be so good. You got this. I live on love. Exactly. With me. Where you girl down? Yes. So sweet. That's okay. The pleasure is mine.
Yeah, we came from London. Christina, where's Christina? Christina's here. Yes, two of us. So it's been really amazing. So humble, so grateful. The pleasure.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Ours.
Oh, it's such an honor.
The pleasure is
It's
ours.
such an
Trust
honor.
me.
Thank
We're
you.
so excited for the panel.
Oh, excited.
All you want is my hunger. All you need is my pain. Nothing in between, never measure love. When you were born there was thunder, fire lit in the sky as to lead astray. Now heavy rain pours out of you and me. Come back.
Thank you, Juvias. Please, congratulations. All of my love.
Hello, my name is Christina Ajayi, and I want to say thank you ever so much to Juvia's Place for inviting me to this wonderful, spectacular brand event.
Hi, my name is Vanessa, and I'm so excited and grateful to be here. We are so proud of you, and thank you.
Perfect. Okay. Hi, my name is Adeleke, and I'm so excited to be in New York with Juvia's Place and all these beautiful people. Thank you guys for inviting me.
Hello, my name is Cartier Benet. I'm so happy to be here with Juvia's Place along with my sister Kaya. Love New York. As you can see, I got my hat. Appreciate you. Thank you for allowing me to come.
Hello, everyone. Hi, Kingdom. It's Kaya Naomi here celebrating with Juvia's Place here in New York City. I'm so excited to be here, and yeah, mwah, love y'all.
Hi guys, what is up? It is your girl Paige Christie, aka Petty Paige. I am back at it again here with Juvia's Place. We are out here having a ball. Look at the table, look at the spread. It's absolutely amazing. So I can't wait to see what the rest of the weekend brings.
Hi, my name is Carrie. I'm so happy to be in New York. I love New York, love Juvia's Place, so it's a double love. I'm happy to be here with everybody, meet new people, and I'm just excited to see what the weekend has in store. Bye.
Hi, my name is Andrea. I'm a New York City-based actress, and I'm just here to celebrate all of the magic that Juvia's Place has brought to us for so many years and celebrating their new products, the blush and the bronze. Congratulations on all your success. I'm so looking forward to celebrating this weekend and being a part of the panel discussion to talk about all the things. Looking forward to it.
Oh, I gotta
Hi, I'm Pick Mill, and I'm just happy to be here. And congrats to Juvia's Place for putting together this amazing event. Yeah, thank you.
Hi, I'm Daphne, and I am a huge Juvia's Place brand. I've been with them for a very long time, and we are so excited for what's to come. We have so much in store.
I am the senior global makeup artist on the product development team, so I'm so excited to see everything play off, and we're about to have fun. I cannot wait for you guys to experience this.
Hi guys! On behalf of Juvia's Place, we're so excited to kick off our first brand event, the Reign of the Blush and Bronze. We're so excited for you all to see all the amazing activations tomorrow. We put so much time, effort, and love into this beautiful, beautiful, beautiful event.
They're so beautiful.
Oh, yeah. Could you say that, sir? Yeah.
Is it Fumi?
Fumi is my girl.
Fumi.
Yes.
Yes.
Go ahead.
All right, you ready?
Yes.
Here in New York, and I'm saying it to everyone, Fumi is my girl.
Now you need to say Christina is my girl.
Here in New York, and no matter where you look, you have to understand Christina is my girl.
Thank you so much, Sarah.
God bless you.
Looking for you.
You came at the right time. No. We were in the elevator
Together.
Yes,
The door
and he
just
said,
closed.
I live for the dress. Oh, he's a lovely. He's lovely. God bless. Bye bye.
Guys, my name is ENITAN, hair coach. I am UK's first ever hair coach and a trichologist. We are a team of trichologists and hair coaches here in W6 London, and we help those who are desperate and have tried and everything else has failed. We look after those who have chronic scalp concerns, flaky, itchy scalp that's been going on for many years. We help those that have hair loss that has progressed instead of improved, and we help those that just generally want to have a better understanding of better quality hair, length, volume, and reduce that dryness. Visit us by clicking